the Gpel tempered glass screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. Now I want to give a special shout out to Gpel for sending this over to me to take a look at. So let's dive right in. Real tempered glass screen protector, 9H hardness for the Galaxy S9 Plus, and this protector is also case friendly. Flipping the packaging over, more information about the product open here. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. And here we go. Inside of this we get installation guide. So you can pause the video, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to do this on my own because that's how I roll. And in here we get, looks like we get a installation tray with this. Very nice. Should make installing the tempered glass much easier with this. Gpel installation kits. So let's open this, and what do we get inside of this guy? Dust removal decals, a Gpel cleaning cloth, as you can see, it says Gpel right there, and your alcohol wipe. And then this is the tempered glass itself. This is the product itself. So you can see this is the adhesive side, the back, and flipping it over, this is the front of the glass, obviously. And you do get the black border around the tempered glass, which is where the glue is on this one. I don't think there's any glue in the middle, but there's definitely glue underneath where the black is, and I can feel it right now with my fingers. Yeah, there's definitely glue on the edges. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the install right now. The alcohol wipe that they provide. And this should just be a straightforward install. This guide should really help with the process. So you're gonna go ahead and just wipe it down. Wipe it down, wipe it down, wipe it down with the alcohol prep pad. And also make sure your hands are really, really clean prior to the installation of this. Okay. Here we go. The smell of fresh alcohol. Okay. Dry it off with their provided microfiber cloth. Just dry it down. And I just turned on the phone. So I'll go back. I'm gonna power it off. You know, don't need the phone on right now while installing this. There we go. And then I'm looking at the phone right now, looking for any dust speckles or anything. And I think we're good. But I'm gonna go use one of their dust removal decals anyway, and just kind of give it a once over. And I don't think I actually need to do this because I'm not seeing any dust on the screen at all. But since I removed it, I'm just gonna go ahead and just do it a once over. Saw a little bit right there. Okay, I think we're good. Yeah, we're good. We are good. There we go. Here's the tempered glass itself. If I can grab it. Here it is. And then this is the installation guide. So you're gonna go ahead and, yeah, it has to be this way, yeah. You're gonna just lay this on the phone like so. Let's see, there's some stuff on here. Now I don't want any dirt on the guide now. You know, you don't want any dust on your screen at this point. So you're gonna go ahead and just lay the guide down like so. And then this is tempered glass. So you can see, adhesive side. You're gonna remove this. There we go. Obviously, this is the top of the phone. So you're just gonna lay it down. Now you're gonna match the curvature of the tempered glass to the curvature of the guide. So you can see. You're just gonna match that. Let's see, there you go. Perfect. And then you're just gonna drop it. There you go, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. Nice. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is actually, I'm gonna hold the screen down like this with my hand and then take the guide off. There you go, so you don't lift the screen protector while you're taking this off. Put that to the side. I'm going to use this cleaning cloth again that they provide, and I'm just going to put pressure on the adhesive of the tempered glass. And here you go. Pretty much good to go. And yeah, I think we are done. A little bit of dust right there. I'm going to blow that out. There you go. Turn the phone on at this point. Let's see. There you go. Let the phone boot up. And we are in. Just like in my speed test videos. So here we go. Phone is on. And taking a look at the screen protector with it on the device. And I'm not seeing any air bubbles under the screen or anything. Now there is a light dot matrix pattern on the underneath the glass screen protector, but it's hardly noticeable. Like I can see a little bit of it right now, but only at an angle like this, and depending on how the light hits it, yeah, that's hardly noticeable. You're not gonna see that, whatever they use. Especially if you're looking at something with a light background, like the Play Store, etc. Yeah, you're not gonna really see that. Not a big deal. Feels good to the touch, feels like glass. Okay, I'm gonna go into the phone, check out the touch sensitivity, and I'm just scrolling through the app drawer right now. No issues with sensitivity yet. There is a setting, however, in the S9s where you can search for touch sensitivity, which I just recently searched. You know, click that and advanced features, touch sensitivity. We're gonna go in there, and then if you have a tempered glass screen protector like this, turn that on. Should solve any issues with touch sensitivity. I have it on right now, and I'll just leave it on. Okay, just touching the edges right now, so you can see it's responding to my touch on the edge of the display, going in the app drawer. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Didn't work the first time, but as you can see, going into the app drawer, and I also have in developer options enabled the touch point, so you can see that little circle right there as I touch the phone. So it's registering the touch even at the edge of the display with the protector on. So it's working just fine. Okay, now a little bit of an issue right here. Okay, well, not really. Okay. Yeah, once you get used to it, shouldn't be a problem. There we go. Yeah, this works. No issues. Okay, going through the screens. That's Bixby, don't want to go to Bixby. Yeah. And one more thing before I end the video, case friendliness of this tempered glass. This is a ring case I have for this phone. So I'm gonna go ahead and just slap the case on the device. So you can see, and I'm looking at it right now. And yeah, no issues with case compatibility. Now with this ring case, there's a gap between the case and the edge of the protector all the way around the device. So you should be good to go with this combination. So if you guys are interested, I'll go ahead and place a link in the description down below to this tempered glass by Gpel. And once again, shout out to Gpel for sending this over to me to take a look at. Thanks for watching. Peace out.